Oh, yeah, that's it for a minute. Honey.
What? Yeah, afterwards.
Okay.
Start opening and then.
Let me grip. Hold on, you guys. Face Daddy.
Is that open now?
Yep.
What is it?
You good, Steven?
Seth has a big green tractor.
And I got some new shoes, yo.
New Balance too.
Those look like they might be a little big.
I don't care, they're mine.
Are you sure? Are you sure they were yours? Not.
I bet you they're size 3.
We'll put them up for a little while until you grow into them. Wear your other ones.
Here.
Wear your other ones out first. Greg since wearing them.
Help me.
What is that? Ooh. I don't care.
Good, Seth. Pair of jeans. So
Yeah.
far. Here, let me see if Steven will help you out. What is it?
Oh, nice, y'all.
You got a shirt just like Daddy now.
Right.
What else you get, Seth? Pair of Saucony. Those are nice. Nice shoes.
Steven, look. Remember when I told you Susie had? Yeah, she's got a smile.
Oh, Big Green Tractor, remember the song?
That got a tractor go with it, huh, bud?
I'm not even opening this one.
Set it off to the side. Got more presents, guys. Thank you, Jesus. Probably should have brought a trash sack in here.
Oh, he's got a couple things in this one.
Ooh,
It's a
dog.
blanket.
Boss.
I don't think that's gonna fit me.
Cool, got a basketball goal thingy for your room.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
I think I already know what that is.
You do.
Blanket.
You see it, son. Put it over here.
What do you mean?
Honey, throw me his
So you can finish opening your presents.
I'm not. No, I'm talking about opening. These are long. That because I'm not opening that one.
I know, that's fine, but you still got more presents, bud.
Right here.
More jeans.
But it's pink.
Hamza. Spider-Man.
think they're getting carried away there, bud. Let's make sure these presents, baby.
This is awesome.
Is that Steven's right there?
Yeah.
Baby boy.
Yeah, this is mine. Steven opened one
big boy.
Steven opened one of my presents. I like that. There. Okay, I opened all mine. Just try to open more. Look.
Think y'all have a pretty good Christmas?
Open this one. Looky.
Oh, you got a mess to pick up. Them shoes are getting put up. Don't take that stuff out of them. Don't take the stuff out of them. I know they're yours, but they ain't going to fit yet. And you still got 2 pairs of shoes. You need to trust me. No. 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 Put it back. They're going to be too big for your feet, son. No. I say no.
Hey. Steven. No.
I hope you know that Daddy's putting this on his Facebook so everybody can see at Christmas. Well, stop crying.
Oh, I want that. That's so cute. It's mine. Ooh, I need those for my camera. These are for Steven's basketball hoops. Alright, Daddy. That one last present.
I'm chewing on socks. Bruno. Grandma and Grandpa Raymond. Hear me? What was it?
Chuck cheese. I got 30. Ew. We're still late now.
You only got $5 too. Don't let her lie to you.
Look, Daddy, he's happy he got his book. Stop. Is Daddy in book?
Ooh, wee.
Yeah.
That's 5.
Yeah.